Students, in today's video session we are going to learn about marketing research and its management. This is all about what is the role of marketing research in today's business world. What are the benefits that are derived by marketing research, by conducting marketing research by the marketing researchers or the decision makers. Let us see what is it. Marketing is a restless, changing and dynamic business activity. In such conditions, the entrepreneurs must adapt to an ever changing business environment. They need to consider various factors such as materials, energy shortages, inflation, economic crisis, unemployment, technological changes, etc. It is that the companies or the organizations need to respond to the market with its products and advertising. Therefore, it is a critical tool for measuring the market and keeping competitive is effective marketing research. These are the reasons which has forced today's marketing executives to become more market driven in their strategic decision making process. So what does this marketing research actually focus upon? The marketing research focus upon understanding the customer, the company and the competition. These three are core for marketing research. The organizations need to understand and respond to what customers want from their products, but generally this relationship is always influenced by competitors and how their products are received by the market. There are several important factors need to be considered, like they need to understand their customers. Customer consumer behavior need to be understood. They need to analyze the competitor strategies. They need to know whether the customers or the consumers are having complete thorough knowledge and awareness about the product, what is the brand loyalty in the market, what is whether the product is useful to the customers or not, whether there are any problems encountered by the customers while using the product or to be extracted by taking continuous feedback from the customers. Through this, they will be able to understand or know what are the desires, what are the changing patterns of the customer. Accordingly, they can redesign their product and go for new product development. Then what is the rationale for conducting this marketing research? Here you need to understand what is the purpose of marketing research and what affects its utility to decision makers. Marketing research is essentially conducted to take out some of the risk from decision making. If there is no risk involved, then there is no need of research because it doesn't add anything to the organization. On the other hand, the utility of research project is greater the less certain are the outcomes of the decision. The factors that increase the uncertainty and decision risk are more useful and to be included. It is importance of the decision to managers in terms of amount of resources involved and the potential negative and positive consequences are to be included, and the complexity of the decision determined by the number of variables under manager's control, as well as those factors that are non-controllable but potentially affecting the final outcomes are to be considered. So we can understand that the decision makers are benefited by doing the marketing research when they are encountered with any serious concern while reaching their targeted customers. So a significant consideration in decision whether a marketing study is necessary is time. Some management problems are about taking advantage of unexpected opportunities or remedying concern situations when the best effects can be achieved. The sooner the decision is made and its consequences implemented. Therefore, marketing research is an essential tool which assists the decision makers to make strategic decisions. Companies either do this in-house or go for outsourcing. The organizations which are having trained and dedicated personnel or having complete gain to the resources, who are having complete accessibility to the resources to those specialized organizations. Generally, the companies will be outsourcing the marketing research work. Then, what are the benefits of this outsourcing marketing research work? It assists in providing accurate and latest trends related to demand, consumer behavior, sales, growth opportunities, etc. And it helps in understanding the market. By this, they can go for redesigning their product, addition of new features to their product, and they can forecast the demand for their product. Even it helps in studying and understanding the competitor strategies and thereby identifying the unique selling propositions for their business. Then, how marketing research is being used in the process of decision making. This marketing research can be used in each stage of decision making process. At each and every level of the decision making, the marketing research outcomes can be used. That is how. Let us see it. First, identifying the existence of problems or opportunities. The decision making starts with identifying a problem or identifying an opportunity. For example, a firm is expecting to sell 1000 laptops, but it is able to sell only 100 laptops. It is not able to sell 900 laptops. Now the decision makers need to question why the 100 laptops are not sold in the market, whether these are outdated, whether the competitors product are sold at lesser prices, or competitors product are having unique features which are more advantageous than their product. All these are to be questioned themselves. Now in this case, let us suppose there is an opportunity to grab, that is the government has taken a decision to distribute free laptops to the students. Now this is an opportunity where this organization can sell the 900 laptops to the government and grab the opportunity. So every company needs to develop certain strategies to resolve their concerns and issues and grab the opportunities in the market. Second, diagnosis and assessment. After a problem or potential opportunity is identified, the decision maker needs information that clarifies the situation. Situation analysis is needed to make strategies. That is, the organization need to diagnose their internal and external environment. With the help of internal environment analysis, the organization can know their strengths and weaknesses. By diagnosing the external environment, the organization can know and identify the opportunities and threats. That is, how serious are the problems, how serious are the weakness, how good are the strengths, how good are the opportunities can be analyzed by diagnosing the internal and external environment. Now coming to the assessment. Assessment is necessary to find answers to these questions. Managers need to gain insight about the underlying factors causing the situation. If there is a problem, they need to specify the problem, why it has happened, how it has happened, and what are the consequences which are led in for such situation. All these are to be answered and assessed. Marketing research provides diagnostic information with proper assessment of the strength or weakness for decision maker to know the situation. Third, develop alternatives and select a course of action. What course of action is to be selected to resolve the problem or gain from an opportunity? Marketing research is often conducted to obtain specific information to help develop various alternatives. By providing the information on performance criteria, that is expectations, standards, benchmarks, etc., it helps to select the right course of action. Example, a researcher is investigating the reasons for shortfall in sales. Then he need to find the marketing mix of the company, marketing mix of the competitors, consumer expectations, consumer satisfaction with the existing marketing mix. So based on the information, the decision maker can devise alternative course of actions, like they can go for reduction in the prices, or increase their quality, or reduce the price of the same quality, or increase the promotional expenditure, etc. Thus, the decision maker can formulate different marketing mix based on what is more effective in convincing the consumers, what is more effective in beating the competition, what is more effective in withstanding in the competition in the market, what is more cost effective among them, what is the best course of action can be arrived by making accurate diagnosis and assessment of the problem. Last, implement and evaluate the course of action. Evaluation research is conducted to inform managers whether planned activities were properly executed and whether they accomplished what they were expected to do. Evaluation research can be understood as performance monitoring research. For example, a firm decides to launch an advertising campaign to increase the sales. Then the organization needs to know certain information to take the decision, like is the campaign conducted as per the plan, what is the amount of expenditure incurred, what is the frequency of ads placed in different media, which media is more effective, what is the how is the advertising being received by the target audience, what is the impact on sales, etc. All these are to be evaluated. If the research indicates things are not going as planned, further research may be required to explain why something has went wrong. Accordingly, further developmental activities can be taken place. So we can say that in the current situation, in the current business world, marketing research is a key area for the survival and their sustenance. So this is to be considered more important while planning and executing the decisions by the organizations.